I'm Jen Kleiner, coach and consultant at Intuitive Artists.
And I'm Ashlee Langas, a movement and wellness coach with the Wavy Cloud. We're going to have a parts party. Jen, what is a parts party?
A parts party is a self awareness workshop. We are going to gather with a group of like minded friends and we're going to create a safe environment to dig deep and really learn about these different aspects of our personality that I'm calling parts. And parts work is this amazing way to befriend the parts we both like and don't like about ourselves and find compromise between these different needs and desires that come up inside. Like the part of me that wants to lose weight and then the part of me that eats ice cream after dinner, or the part that wants to go and hang out with friends and then this other part that never wants to leave the house again. There's always this kind of polarization between wants and needs. And in our workshop, we're going to find a way to bring them all to the party and make it okay to have these different dynamics and issues and befriend these parts of us without having to become these parts of us. So in that process, we're really developing more self-awareness. And we're going to do that through movement with you and through, some conversation with me and some journaling and guided meditation. So it's going to be a totally fun, wonderful, shame-free experience.
I love it. And this has just been some of the most powerful work that I've ever done to really get to know these different aspects of myself that I have felt shame around for not understanding why they were there in the first place and why they sometimes act out and why I feel bad about certain aspects of myself. So I'm just so excited to share this work with so many people.
Yes, we're going to have so much fun. Can't wait to be with you in all your parts.